before going to the main purpose of the video, I'm going to explain how did I decide or why this monitor in particular. So I've been planning upgrading my monitor because it is old and it has a screen size of about 15.6. So it's slightly bigger than a standard laptop. It's actually okay for one task office work, but in my case, it is beneficial for me of having that screen size because accessing multiple documents simultaneously. Therefore, my consideration is primarily on screen size and of course the price. I have actually helped my brothers building their PC. Actually, 24-inch display is already good, but I wanted to try something new, so 27 it is. To be honest, I'm not particular with the specs because of my use. In consideration of the response time, the refresh rate, or what panel type it is, whether it is IPS, TN, or VA, actually it's not my primary consideration since my use is only for documents unless if I am in gaming, so I need to consider those specs. So upon searching on the online store, I actually have a list here. So in the category of 27-inch, I found my local online store. We have the LG IPS 27 MK430H, the MSI Optics G27C4, and the Asus L279HE. They are only HD. That would mean it has the resolution of 1980 by 1080p, when in fact the recommended resolution for 27-inch monitor is 2560 by 1440p. So in other words, it's QHD. I only saw Citrix monitor which has these specs, the QHD, and it is 27-inch, but its price is 9,500 plus the shipping fee. This is actually my first choice, but I remember my budget. I really want to get the money's worth, and to be honest, the high resolution of the screen is not that much of the priority. So upon searching, I only have these in my choices: the SpecterPro G27SL LED-IPS, the Envision in 27CL8, and the View Plus MS27. Though the last two are curved, but of the choices, SpecterPro has a better reputation. So the reference of these prices are in Lazada. I ordered it at ECPC. I even have a small voucher, so I was able to pay less than 7,000 pesos, including the shipping fee. Very solid. So when you think about it, there are a lot of 24-inch monitor that is in the same price range of the mentioned 27, or even actually more. As in the case of my brothers, his monitor is Samsung and it's 24-inch, and it is priced at 7,000 plus, or 7.5. So some of these, I would just name some of the monitors in this price range. In the 24-inch, we have the Samsung, we have the Philips, the HP, and the Gambias. Even 24-inch monitors like Asus is priced at 6,000 plus, and the huge border makes it very unaesthetic. Even though the monitors I have compared has their pros and cons, but in my case, considering my need, SpecterPro is my go-to choice. So I will just provide you an average of the price that I have mentioned a while ago. So here it is. I actually already unboxed the monitor, but I have filmed it. I'm actually using the monitor right now, and to be honest, it's actually good. After this part, and then the agenda for this video is unboxing and a testing of the monitor to a online software.